Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to be making some baked turkey wings, some broccoli cheddar bites, some glazed carrots, and couscous. The clip that you're looking at right now is a previous recipe where I actually seasoned the turkey, so I'll make sure I list that below. So first, all you're going to do is take the seasoned turkey and put it in your pan. Don't judge me, y'all. This is the only pan I had in my house. And I'll bake the turkey right down in it. And I put it in the oven. This is my oven pan, so don't talk about me in the comments. So I had some tomatoes left over from my last recipe, so I just sprinkled it on there. It was optional. Now we're going to move on to the broccoli bites while the turkey is in the oven. You're going to add a whole bunch of broccoli to your mixer just like this, and you're just going to break it all the way down until it becomes like crumbs. And y'all, this recipe was surprisingly delicious. It really was. I added tons and tons of garlic to it. I'm adding a bunch of cheese to it, and baking it off in the oven was just like that nice touch. The cheese was nice and crisp around it. It was just so good. So y'all about to see what happened. So you're gonna add a couple tablespoons of flour. I'm using this tasty herb pizza seasoning, as well as some Cajun seasoning, and of course the eggs. Mix that up just like this. They're so easy to make, very few ingredients, but the flavor is really good. Do not leave out that garlic. I must have used like 8 big old large cloves of garlic. So I'm going to take my coconut oil spray and spray my muffin tins just like this, and I'm just going to spoon it in there and put it into the oven and bake it off. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, as well as the cooking times. And yeah, but once they're nice and golden around the edges, y'all, you'll know it's done. But this is a perfect appetizer to any meal. However, I added it to the meal. So now this is what the turkey looks like after about 2 hours and 2 hours and 15 minutes in the oven covered. I didn't touch it, didn't mess with it, didn't nothing. So now I'm just going to baste it with the juices just like this. Alright, this right here is a couple tablespoons of mango chutney. You can use whatever chutney that you have available to you, except for strawberry. Use something that's in the tropical, realm, maybe even peach. I'm then going to take some of the turkey juice and add it to the mango chutney. And this is just my way of adding more flavor to my turkey. It didn't need it, but I wanted to add more flavor, as well as some black pepper. The first time you take your turkey out the oven is your chance to taste the juices to make sure it's to your liking. After I add the mixture back to the turkey, I also add on top some peppers and some onion. I didn't add either one of these in the beginning because I didn't want it to cook all the way out. I still wanted it to have body. So then I'm going to add it back to the oven for another 30 to 45 minutes until they're nice and super tender. So now I'm on to the carrots. I'm just going to put my cut up carrots. Y'all, these are the easiest glazed carrots ever. I know the chef guys are looking down on me like, Misha, what are you doing, girl? What are you doing? But listen, add a tablespoon of butter, a couple drizzles of honey, some black pepper, and some salt. What's going to happen here is, as the water reduces, the flavor is going to concentrate, as well as the honey and the butter, and then you end up with glazed carrots. And by the time that happens, your carrots will be cooked. Alright, you guys, so this is what the broccoli cheddar bites look like. They came out so great, and they were so delicious. Definitely, this was one of the best parts of the meal for me. I'm definitely going to make this again. And yeah, so you can also make this keto by using almond flour instead of plain flour. The last side that I'll be using is some couscous. Y'all know I love me some couscous. So I'm just going to cook that up. And yep, this is what the meal looks like, you guys. I plated it up just like this. You got the broccoli cheddar bites, the carrots, and the turkey. The turkey was so delicious, you guys. So delicious. The way it was seasoned and marinated overnight, it was really good. Look how tender it is. Woo! I tore it up. I did. As you can see, my broccoli bites are not even on the plate because those went first. But I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for your support, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, you guys.